All right, I just bought this. I'm going to show you, this is the box, and I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. So let's change the camera so that way you can see the product itself. So this is, I made another video, this is for a pressure washer machine, but the one I bought is kind of similar, the same thing, $50, unbeatable price. So as you can see here, you put this on the wall, this goes to the air compressor. It comes with these accessories that you put there. I don't know, I don't like them, it seems like low quality, but other than that I'll use something else. So as you can see, this is how it looks like once it's installed. So looks decent. So I'll change the screen so that way you can see everything that comes in the box. So basically when you buy this, it comes with this. This adapter is the one that comes with it. I think it might be usable. I don't think so it's going to be any issue. But the other one, the female, I'm going to install another one that I have. So basically this goes to the air compressor. This goes on the wall, as you can see here. This is everything that you see. Some very simple, very light. I like it a lot. It's 1/4 of the diameter, so at least just to put some air on my car or clean up some computers or something, I think this would be perfect. So basically you pull this and you will stay like that, you see, and then pull again and it will go back again the way it was. So very simple. So I'll show you, this is what you're going to get in the other side. So this is the adapter. I don't like this type of adapters. You will need something like this, but I bought another one. They're made of aluminum, lighter, and they work very nice. When you plug something in, it's way easier than the regular one. The regular ones, you will have to struggle with this. It comes with the manual that you see here, and it comes with this air duster thingy. The things that came in the box. So basically that is what you're going to get. So this is the air duster, and I think with the adjustable wrench you can remove this, put this, and if you want something longer, maybe for computers, works great. And then you're going to have this is for the wall, for the concrete. So if you never use one of these before, they are very easy. All you have to do, make a hole of this diameter, you put it on the wall, and then once it's in the wall, just screw this, and then it will expand, and this is going to get shrink. It will shrink a little bit and it will expand, and that's it. So it comes with two, plenty enough. So if you have lumber, maybe you use something else. This is for concrete. This works. Yeah, I didn't have to do anything. And like I said before, the only thing I don't like is this. You see, you put this, and then if you want to take it out, just pull this. But when you have air, and these are usually the lowest quality, you will struggle a lot, just to put it in. And I don't like that. So I'm going to replace it for a good one, so that way I don't have these type of issues. And that's it. But everything else, I mean, looks decent. I don't see anything else. I'll test it. I saw some. You see, you put this here, this U thingy on the wall. The only thing I don't know about this, but I don't know if it's going to be easy to remove this. Is it even feasible? It seems like it's just regular plastic. This is all plastic. Some people were complaining that it didn't last for a very long time. At least most of the reviews seems to be good, and that's it. I mean, if $50, if you want, you can pay maybe a little bit more and get something a little bit better, or maybe some extra warranty with this. Seems to be fun. I'll show you here on the screen. So if you see here, if you see here, most of them are like 5 stars. Like 74% of the people are happy with 5 stars. Otherwise, if you want to get something else, I think you can get something else. As you can see, they cost a little bit more. I don't know if they are, I mean, they don't have many reviews, some of them. This one has a lot of reviews. The thing is, for instance, these are 3/8. This one, the one I bought is 1/4, so it will make it way lighter, you know, just to install it, the hose and everything. I think for me, for my usage, I think it will be plenty enough. I want to put some air on my cars, on the tires, and maybe blow some air, you know, just to dust off something, and that's it. So as you can see, most people, they say that was okay, and some of them, you see here, one guy says it broke, that says unrepairable, and I don't know. I mean, it's all plastic, you know. You gamble with this. Otherwise, if you want to buy an extra warranty, you can do that. But like I said, it is up to you. Just if you don't like this, you buy something else that will be better, and that's it. Here you have for, I didn't realize this, for $10 more, you have 3 years of warranty. So it may be worth it just to pay the extra. So that's it for now. So if you have any question, please let me know, section below. If you want to keep learning, go to the playlist. I have all my videos over there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.